Hi, wherever you're joining me, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a platform dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, with the occasional segue into other areas of tech entrepreneurship. I'm Hariharakli, and this is the Daily Brief. So let's get started. NASA is inviting US and international companies to provide input on Earth proximity relay communication and navigation services as the US Space Agency transitions from its own satellite system to commercial solutions. This move aims to enhance data relay for future science missions, simulate private investment, and ensure robust support for upcoming exploration initiatives, with commercial offerings expected as early as 2028. SpaceX successfully deployed 26 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit from California. The Falcon 9 rocket's reusable first stage landed on a drone ship, and the mission further strengthens the Starlink broadband network, now exceeding 7,760 active satellites. This launch follows a recent milestone, the completion of SpaceX's first-generation direct-to-cell constellation, bringing global internet coverage a step closer. China completed the commercialization and delivery of the EZQR Engine 2.0, its first superconducting quantum computing measurement and control system designed for 1,000-qubit machines. This milestone marks a significant leap in quantum hardware capabilities, positioning China as a key player in scalable quantum computing infrastructure for research and industry. Academia Sinica has launched Taiwan's first dedicated quantum chip fabrication and testing spaces, successfully demonstrating superconducting qubit production using 8-inch wafer equipment. These new facilities will accelerate quantum hardware development, support national research, and strengthen Taiwan's strategic position in the global quantum technology race. Volkswagen-backed battery manufacturer Gotion has launched its first pilot line for all solid-state batteries, branded as Gemstone. These batteries promise higher energy density, improved safety, and longer driving range compared with conventional lithium-ion cells. The pilot line signals the start of small-scale production, with full-scale manufacturing targeted for 2030, advancing the global EV and energy storage revolution. The global cathode materials market is projected to grow at a 14.93% compounded annual growth rate, driven by rising electric vehicle adoption, renewable energy products, and advances in battery technology. US manufacturers are ramping up production, focusing on nickel-rich and cobalt-free cathodes to enhance battery capacity, lifespan, and sustainability, supported by strong government incentives and industry innovation. Finally, here in India, the government has revised its special economic zones rules to promote domestic semiconductor and electronics manufacturing. Key reforms include reducing the minimum land requirement for SEZs from 50 to 10 hectares and allowing domestic sales after paying duties. These changes aim to attract capital-intensive investments, reduce import dependence, and strengthen India's high-tech manufacturing ecosystem. That's it for today. You can find links to all the headlines in the show notes wherever you get your podcasts. For in-depth conversations with entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and other stakeholders building India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems, do check out my India Tech Report In Conversation podcast. If you'd like to support my work, please subscribe to the India Tech Report newsletter. Get all these in one place. I'm Hariharakli. Thank you for listening.